High winds were again the cause of loss of power of nearly 4,500 GVEA residents. Now, last night in the areas of North Pole and in Fairbanks, residents lost their power as wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour knocked out power.
About 1 o'clock this morning, we started to have outages, and by noon today we had everybody back on. We estimate about 7,100 of our members were affected by the outage, not all at one time, but throughout these last 13 hours.
Hundreds of fallen trees on the power lines continue to provide issues.
We call these cascading outages, and the reason is as soon as they clear a tree from a line that fell in the line from the winds, then they get the power restored, and then further down the line another tree goes in. So that's why people were experiencing my lights are on and then 10 minutes or an hour later the lights are back off.
GVEA linemen worked vigorously through the evening to get power up to those who experienced the outages.
We had pretty much 6 crews working. We just now have started to rotate them so they can get some rest, but until the winds stop, we just have to keep rotating crews, trying to get people's power back up in terrible conditions. And that, so we do appreciate that, and we appreciate our members having patience as we get through this.
While GVEA prepares for more outages that are expected to continue throughout the night, they do say that folks can take some precautions to ensure that damage does not happen to their electronics.
As far as protecting sensitive equipment is definitely something members ought to consider. Even if it's plugged into a power strip, usually power strips can only take so many hits and the fuse in them can go. So protect your sensitive equipment.
If you experience a continuing outage, you can phone GVEA at their outage center or email them at info@gvea.com. Stephanie Woodard, News Center 11.